Let me take you aboard the AIDablu, a cruise ship that has been making waves in the European cruise scene since 2010. This Sphinx-class vessel from AIDA Cruises represents everything that German cruising stands for: casual elegance, family-friendly vibes, and a focus on wellness that would make your local spa jealous. With a capacity for just over 2,000 passengers, she strikes that sweet spot between intimate and spacious. The AIDaBlu weighs in at approximately 71,000 gross tons, which might sound massive until you realize it is actually considered mid-sized in today's cruise world. What makes her special is not just her size, but how AIDA has utilized every square inch to create spaces that feel both comfortable and exciting. The ship operates primarily in Northern Europe and the Mediterranean, taking guests to some of the most breathtaking destinations you can imagine. Built as part of AIDA's expansion into more eco-friendly cruising, the AIDaBlu incorporates advanced wastewater treatment systems and energy-efficient technologies. This is not just marketing speak. The ship genuinely tries to minimize its environmental impact while still delivering an exceptional cruise experience. The recent 2019 refurbishment added modern touches throughout the vessel, proving that AIDA is committed to keeping their fleet fresh and contemporary. When it comes to accommodations, the AIDaBlu offers something for every budget and preference, though do not expect palatial suites like you might find on ultra-luxury lines. The inside cabins clock in at around 140 to 160 square feet, which is honestly pretty standard for this category. These rooms are cleverly designed with Scandinavian-inspired decor featuring light wood finishes that make the space feel larger than it actually is. The real sweet spot might be the balcony cabins, ranging from 180 to 215 square feet including the outdoor space. These feature floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors that open onto private balconies with seating areas. The balconies are not huge, but they are perfect for morning coffee or evening drinks while watching the world go by. The rooms come equipped with flat-screen televisions, safes, and bathrooms with showers that actually have decent water pressure. For those looking to splurge, the suites range from 320 to 430 square feet and include separate living areas in some configurations. The bathrooms in suites often feature bathtubs or whirlpool tubs, premium toiletries, and enough space to actually move around without bumping into everything. Some suites even offer butler service, though this is more about convenience than the white-glove treatment you might expect on truly luxury lines. The dining scene on AIDaBlu reflects the German approach to cruising: hearty, varied, and designed to please families rather than impress food critics. The main buffet restaurant, called Marktrestaurant, serves as the heart of the dining experience with its international and German cuisine offerings. The buffet is extensive, covering everything from fresh salads to comfort food that will remind you of home, assuming home includes schnitzel and sauerkraut. The Rossini restaurant provides a more formal dining experience with waiter service, though formal here means smart casual rather than black tie affair. The menu focuses on international dishes with a German twist, and the service is generally friendly and efficient. For those seeking something different, the East restaurant offers Asian fusion cuisine including sushi, wok dishes, and dim sum, though you will pay extra for this specialty dining experience. The Surf and Turf Steakhouse caters to meat lovers and seafood enthusiasts, offering premium cuts and fresh catches for an additional fee. Reservations are required, which tells you something about its popularity among guests. The Weinwirtschaft Wine Bar and Restaurant provides a more intimate setting for wine lovers, featuring gourmet small plates paired with carefully selected wines. The various bars scattered throughout the ship serve everything from tropical cocktails by the pool to sophisticated drinks in the piano bar. The pool areas on AIDaBlu are designed for relaxation rather than adrenaline-pumping water park experiences. The ship features two main pools, one family-friendly area where kids can splash around while parents keep a watchful eye, and an adults-only pool for those seeking a more tranquil experience. Do not expect massive water slides or elaborate splash parks here, as AIDA has focused more on creating comfortable spaces for lounging and swimming. The sun decks are spacious and well-designed, offering plenty of loungers and some cabanas for those willing to pay extra for premium positioning. Several whirlpools are strategically placed near the pools and on upper decks, providing perfect spots to soak while enjoying ocean views. The ship also includes a jogging track for those who cannot skip their daily run, even while on vacation. Water activities are somewhat limited compared to newer, larger ships, but there are splash zones for children and pool games organized by the entertainment staff. The focus is clearly on relaxation and socializing rather than high-energy water sports. Mini-golf and volleyball courts provide additional outdoor entertainment options for those seeking more active pursuits. Onboard activities reflect AIDA's philosophy of casual entertainment that appeals to a broad range of ages and interests. The three-deck high theater presents Broadway-style shows, live music performances, and comedy acts that generally receive positive reviews from guests. The productions are professional without being overly elaborate, striking a balance between entertainment value and intimate venue feel. The casino offers slot machines and table games for those feeling lucky, while multiple nightclubs and lounges provide venues for dancing and socializing late into the evening. Daily activities include the usual cruise ship staples like trivia contests, dance lessons, and fitness classes, but the crew does a good job of keeping things fresh and engaging rather than repetitive. Educational opportunities include guest lectures about destinations, cooking classes that actually teach useful skills, and wine tastings that go beyond just drinking and include real education about wine regions and production methods. Theme cruises occasionally focus on wellness, culinary experiences, or music, adding special programming that elevates the experience beyond typical cruise entertainment. The AIDA Spa takes wellness seriously, offering a comprehensive range of treatments from massages and facials to body wraps and beauty treatments. The facilities include saunas, steam rooms, thermal suites, and relaxation lounges that create a genuine spa atmosphere rather than just a few treatment rooms with spa-like names. The fitness center features modern equipment and group classes including yoga and Pilates. Wellness programs extend beyond just spa treatments to include detox programs, fitness boot camps, and mindfulness sessions that appeal to health-conscious travelers. The spa typically operates from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening, giving guests plenty of flexibility to fit treatments into their schedules. Prices are reasonable compared to land-based spas, though still represent a significant additional expense. The thermal suite and relaxation areas provide quiet spaces to unwind between treatments or just escape the busier areas of the ship. The staff is professional and knowledgeable, though language barriers can occasionally be an issue for non-German speakers seeking specific treatments or explanations. Families will find AIDAblu well-equipped for younger guests, with age-specific kids clubs covering ages 3 to 6, 7 to 11, and 12 to 17. These clubs offer supervised activities that allow parents some adult time while ensuring children are entertained and safe. The programming includes crafts, games, educational activities, and age-appropriate entertainment that keeps kids engaged. Teen lounges provide dedicated spaces for older children to socialize away from both younger kids and adults, with games, social events, and activities designed specifically for this often difficult-to-please age group. Family staterooms and larger suites accommodate families comfortably, with sofa beds and connecting rooms available in some configurations. Babysitting services are available upon request for an additional fee, allowing parents to enjoy adult dining or entertainment options. The ship's family-friendly atmosphere means children are welcome throughout most areas, though adults-only spaces provide necessary retreats for those seeking quieter environments. The ports of call represent some of AIDAblu's strongest selling points, with itineraries covering Northern Europe including the Baltic Sea and Norwegian fjords, Mediterranean destinations, and seasonal repositioning to the Canary Islands and Caribbean. These destinations offer incredible variety, from the historic cities of Stockholm and Copenhagen to the dramatic landscapes of Norway's fjords. Shore excursions range from cultural tours of historic city centers to active hiking adventures and relaxing beach days. The ship organizes professional excursions, but independent exploration is encouraged and often more rewarding for adventurous travelers. Some ports require tendering, which can be time-consuming, but most major destinations allow direct docking. Flagship excursions include scenic fjord cruises in Norway and comprehensive historic tours in Baltic capitals like St. Petersburg. The variety ensures that whether you are interested in history, culture, nature, or cuisine, there are options that will appeal to your interests and activity level. Overall, AIDAblu represents solid value in the mid-range cruise market, particularly for German-speaking travelers and families seeking a casual, comfortable cruise experience. The ship's strengths include friendly service, good food variety, comfortable accommodations, and excellent itineraries that showcase some of Europe's most beautiful destinations. The wellness facilities are genuinely impressive, and the family-friendly atmosphere creates a welcoming environment for all ages. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.